Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DEWALT 60V Max Circular Saw, DCS520B, is a powerful cordless track saw designed for precise and efficient cutting, suitable for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. As part of DEWALT's FlexVolt system, it operates on a 60V Max battery, sold separately, delivering consistent and reliable power for demanding tasks. The saw features a 6.5-inch blade ideal for making smooth, splinter-free cuts in wood, plywood, and other materials. Key features include a zero-clearance track system, which ensures accurate, straight cuts by minimizing material movement during operation. It also supports bevel adjustments, allowing cuts between 47 degrees and 90 degrees, enhancing versatility for various applications. The saw provides a constant speed motor with a variable speed dial, enabling customization of the blade speed based on the material for optimal performance. Safety and usability are emphasized with features like the anti-kickback mechanism, which prevents the saw from moving backward along the track, reducing the risk of accidents. A built-in dust collection port is compatible with DEWALT dust extractors, keeping the workspace clean and improving visibility. As a tool-only option, it does not include batteries or a charger, making it a cost-effective choice for those already invested in the FlexVolt ecosystem. The durable construction and ergonomic design ensure comfort and longevity during extended use. This track saw is ideal for professionals working on cabinetry, flooring, and finish carpentry, as well as DIYers seeking precision. However, its price point and the requirement to purchase batteries separately may deter occasional users. Overall, the DCS520B delivers power, accuracy, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to DEWALT's cordless tool lineup. Number 2. The Makita XPS01Z 6.5-inch Plunge circular saw is a high-performance tool designed for precision cutting and professional-grade results. It features a plunge cut mechanism that allows for accurate cuts starting anywhere on the material, making it ideal for finish carpentry, cabinetry, and woodworking projects. The saw is equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor that delivers a no-load speed of up to 5,200 RPM, enabling smooth and clean cuts in various materials, including hardwood, plywood, and MDF. The variable speed control dial lets users adjust the speed for optimal cutting performance based on the material. Its bevel capability ranges from -1 degree to 48 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, making it versatile for angled cuts. The 6.5-inch blade provides a maximum cutting depth of 2 3/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 9/16 inches at 45 degrees. When paired with an optional guide rail system, sold separately, the saw delivers precise, straight, and splinter-free cuts. The XPS01Z emphasizes safety and convenience with features like a built-in depth stop, which allows for scoring cuts at 1/16-inch depth, and a soft start motor to ensure smooth operation. Its electric brake enhances safety by quickly stopping the blade after the trigger is released. For dust management, the saw includes a dust extraction port, improving visibility and keeping the workspace clean. It comes in a durable Makita stackable case, making it easy to store and transport. The Makita XPS01Z is an excellent choice for professionals and advanced DIYers who need precision and versatility. While it lacks cordless convenience, its robust performance and compatibility with Makita's guide rails make it a standout tool for precision cutting tasks. Number 3. The Metabo HPTC7UR circular saw kit is a powerful and reliable tool designed for high-performance cutting. Equipped with a 7.25-inch blade, it delivers a no-load speed of 6,800 RPM, ensuring fast, smooth cuts through wood, plywood, and other materials. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals and DIYers who need precision and power in their cutting tasks. A standout feature of the C7UR is its dust blower function, which helps keep the cutting line clear of debris, providing improved visibility and reducing the need for frequent cleanup. This feature is particularly useful when making long cuts, ensuring that the saw operates efficiently without obstruction. The saw has an impressive cutting depth of 2.5 inches at 90 degrees, allowing users to make deep cuts in thicker materials. Additionally, the saw's bevel capacity can be adjusted up to 55 degrees, offering versatility for angled cuts and a variety of project types. The easy-to-read scale on the bevel adjustment lever ensures quick and precise angle settings. Built with durability in mind, the C7UR features a lightweight yet robust design that enhances user comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, while the aluminum baseplate ensures stability and smooth operation. The 5-year warranty underscores the manufacturer's confidence in the saw's quality and durability, offering peace of mind to buyers. This saw kit includes all essential accessories for immediate use, making it a practical and cost-effective solution for professionals looking for reliable performance at a competitive price. Overall, the Metabo HPTC7UR circular saw kit is a solid, high-speed tool ideal for a variety of cutting tasks, combining power, precision, and convenience for both experts and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. The Makita XPS01Z 36V, 18VX2, LXT brushless 6.1/2 plunge circular saw is a high-performance, cordless tool designed for precision cutting in woodworking, cabinetry, and other demanding applications. Powered by two 18V LXT batteries, delivering 36V of power, this saw provides exceptional cutting capacity and runtime without the need for a cord, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who require mobility and power on job sites. Equipped with a brushless motor, the XPS01Z delivers longer runtime, increased efficiency, and extended tool life compared to brushed motors. The saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 2¼ inches at 90 degrees, with the ability to adjust the bevel up to 48 degrees, enabling users to make precise straight and angled cuts. The plunge cut mechanism allows for easy starting of cuts anywhere on the material, ensuring clean, accurate results, even in the middle of a piece. For convenience, the saw is designed with a dust port that connects to a vacuum for efficient dust collection, keeping the workspace cleaner and improving visibility during cuts. The adjustable depth control allows users to easily set the depth for different cutting applications, enhancing versatility. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable, rubberized grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use, and its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The saw is also compatible with Makita's optional guide rail system for straight, accurate cuts. As a tool-only option, the XPS01Z does not include batteries or a charger, which makes it ideal for users who already own other Makita LXT tools. With its powerful brushless motor, advanced features, and cordless convenience, the Makita XPS01Z is a top choice for professionals seeking precision and performance in a portable, reliable circular saw. Number 5. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile and powerful cutting tool designed for professional and DIY use. This 7¼ inch saw is capable of cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, metal, and more, thanks to its TCT, tungsten carbide-tipped, blade. The saw is equipped with a high-torque motor that provides smooth, efficient cuts across different materials, making it ideal for users who need to tackle diverse projects without switching tools. One of the standout features of the R185 CCSX is its included 40-inch track, which ensures straight, accurate cuts with minimal effort. The track system reduces the need for measuring and marking, enhancing precision and reducing material waste. It also helps in producing clean, splinter-free cuts, particularly in wood and plastic. The saw can be easily aligned along the track, allowing for smooth operation without the risk of the saw veering off course. The saw's adjustable depth and bevel capacity of up to 45 degrees provide flexibility, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting applications, including angled and plunge cuts. The dust extraction port connects to a vacuum, keeping the workspace clean and improving visibility during cutting. For comfort and control, the saw features an ergonomic handle, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Its lightweight design further enhances maneuverability, making it easy to handle in various cutting scenarios. This saw kit comes complete with the saw, a TCT blade, and the 40-inch track, offering a comprehensive solution for users who need a reliable, multi-material cutting tool. Whether you're working on woodworking, metalworking, or plastic projects, the Evolution R185 CCSX delivers the power and precision you need.